Hello friends, welcome to the channel Law and Government Job Exams Cluster. Today we are going to show you the legal officers vacancy which has been notified by Reserve Bank of India. Before going further, thank you for the last time video, watch time and subscription in the comment posted thereupon. It is also requested to kindly subscribe the channel and watch the entire video and press the bell icon. So we can see that the Reserve Bank of India has posted the post of legal officer in the grade B level, for which we have to open RBI, Reserve Bank of India. After that we have to open the vacancies. In the vacancies column, when we'll open recruitment officer in grade B in general DE. So after clicking this, we'll get this notification. Reserve Bank of India Services Board advertisement number 2A 2020-21, in which it is mentioned Reserve Bank of India recruitment panel year 2020 for the post of legal officer in grade B and the other post, so for which we will discuss in further. Here we can see that what is a mode of application. The mode of application will be online only. And what are the important dates for this? Important date is February 23, 2021 was the opening date, and the closing date is March 10, 2021 till 6 p.m. that is 1800 hours. And the date of examination would be April 10, 2021. What is the date of examination? Examination date is 10th of April 2021. What is the detailed notification? We'll see this in detail. So the legal officer vacancies in which it is notified is unreserved, general, scheduled caste vacancies and all those. It is mentioned total legal officer vacancies are 11. And if you want to see in detail, we can see that legal officer in grade B unreserved vacancies are 5, that is general and UR. SC vacancies are 1, ST vacancies is 1, other backward classes is 3, economic weaker section 1, and total vacancies are 11. So there are total 11 vacancies which has been notified for the post of legal officer in grade B. Now what is the age relaxation? Age relaxation again would be the same, and what is the age criteria and all those things we'll look into detail. So the eligibility criteria as on February 1, 2021. That means on 1st of February 2021, what are the qualification requirement for legal officer in grade B? That is, the job requirements are dealing with references on legal issue received from various department of the bank and its associate institution, which are mainly related to the interpretation of various statutes such as Reserve Bank of India Act 1934, Banking Regulation Act 1949, Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999, Companies Act 2013, etc. Preparing initial draft of legislation, administration to be administered by the bank, preparation of drafts of pleading and comprehensive instruction briefs of counsel in connection with litigation involved in bank and its associate institution, appearing before the conciliation officer, labor court, tribunal, etc. on behalf of the bank. Now comes what are the essential qualification. It is bachelor degree in law from any university, college, institution recognized by UGC and the Bar Council of India with a minimum of 50% marks or equivalent in the aggregate in all semester year. For SC/ST, this percentage is reduced up to 45%. That means anybody who is holding a bachelor degree in law with 50% marks can apply for this post on the 1st February 2021. Desirable degree is bachelor degree in law with 60% marks or master's degree in law. Experience at least 2 years experience as an advocate, legal consultant, legal assistant, associate in an advocate or solicitor firm or law firm after being enrolled with Bar Council, or as a law officer in the legal department of a large bank, financial institution, statutory corporation, company, state, central government, or a full-time teaching in a law college, university, teaching law. Desirable is special knowledge of banking law, company law, labor law and constitutional law, and experience in drafting and pleadings of document. Minimum age as on 1st February 2021 is 21 years of age, and the maximum age is 32 as on closing date, that is on 1st of February 2021. Maximum age is 32 years. And what are the 3 years upper age limit is relaxed for or other backward classes, and 5 years for SC/ST. That means OBC category people can apply up to 35 years of age, and SC/ST people can apply up to SC/ST people can apply up to 37 years of age. Now we can see there is one more upper age limit is relaxable for 3 years in case of candidate possessing LLM degree, that is Master in Law, and 5 years in case of candidates possessing PhD in Law. So any law graduate who is holding a master degree will get additional 3 years relaxation in addition to the category relaxation which has been given. That means if a central OBC is applying and having a master's degree in law, he can 32 plus 3, that is 35 plus 3, that is 38 years. And suppose as OBC candidate is having a PhD qualification, then 32 plus 3, that is 35 plus 5 years for PhD, that is 40 years. Same is with SC/ST. SC/ST like 32 plus 5 plus 3 years for master's degree, and 32 plus 5 plus 5, that is 42 years for the PhD. Scheme of selection would be, there would be total 250 marks, out of which general knowledge of law, objective type and descriptive type. There would be one paper of paper 1 in which the objective type questions would be 30 marks, and descriptive type maximum marks is 120, and total duration of this examination would be 3 hours. Now it comes to the second paper, that is English descriptive type, that would be of 100 marks, and that again would be of 3 hours. And any corrigendum which will be going to be uploaded by the RBI can be seen through the website itself. Now the next question which are coming in the mind is, what is the last date, how to apply, which we have already discussed. Now what is a fees and what is a pay scale. For grade B officer, they will be starting pay would be 35,150 PM per month, scale of 35,150 applicable to officer in grade B. In addition to that, DNS allowance, local compensatory allowance, house rent allowance, special allowance and grade allowance as per rule. At present, monthly gross emoluments are approximately 83,202. So that means approximately 83,000 is the total salary which a grade B officer in the legal officer would be getting. You can apply it online, and last date of receipt is, again I am telling you, 10th of March 2021 till 6 p.m. So hurry up candidates, because as the last going date are about to come, and there are other formalities which you have to apply, which you have to do. So you have to start filling up the form and you can apply for the post. Now what is the fees? Application fees for general OBC is 600 rupees, and for SC/ST vacancies is only 100 rupees. So thank you friends. You can apply for this RBI legal officer grade B through advertisement number 2A 2020-21. Thank you. Continue watching the videos and press the subscription button and press the bell icon, and press your send your comments and any suggestion, any clarification, any doubts in the comment section, which will be cleared in the upcoming videos. Thank you.